Okay, ladies and gentlemen, good day. I am a Armando Corporation. It is a group of scientists based in Florida campus of UNISA. So most of them, they are doing PhDs in environmental sciences. Today, we'll be talking about the bioremediation of brine wastewater for agricultural purposes. By seeing the first picture that we have in front of us, we can see that the money is growing from our soil. But how are we going to make the money growing from our soil? And we can see even our motto, a green world with less pollution. This is Armando Corporation. Let's move on to the next slide and see what will happen. According to the South African Environmental Department, we have a lot of pollution in South Africa. This is bringing, for instance, deforestation, mining activities, and many other things. And the pollution is not just related to the air, it's also related to the water. Remember that South Africa is a semi-arid country where we have a lot of pollution and scarcity of water. But what will remain with that wastewater? That is why Armando Corporation has decided to bring onto the alternative way so that pollutant can be removed for agricultural purposes. So now in our laboratory, we have sequenced the microorganism called bacteria from Imalashleni in our lab. And we realized that those sequenced microorganisms, today called Afrobacteria, are able to remove our pollutants that we have in the synthetic water or in the wastewater from our environment. According to the picture you see, we are working with our microscope where we can check the specific species capable to remove pollutant from wastewater. So the real problem that we are trying to solve is water scarcity. We have identified that South Africa is a semi-arid country where we do not have enough water, and also where the wastewater that we have is not well recycled. That is why for our farmers that are our customer, we need them to have the solution, the biological solution, not the chemical or physical one, because the chemical and physical method are more expensive compared to the biological one that we are trying to propose. So, and then the water is more scarce in the polluted environment where our farmers are really needy. That is why we need people from Mpumalanga, Imalashleni, and coastal area, maybe Durban, KwaZulu-Natal. They can do easily their farming activity without any problem because Armando Corporation is bringing the solution to mitigate the pollution. Our customers are already identified. We need farmers who are doing their activity in the mining area and coastal ones. So they are the ones who can bring and improve our benefit or profit also. And in terms of innovation, first of all, we have tried to isolate the specific strain of bacteria capable to remove our pollutant, because all bacteria are not able to remove. That is why we are calling them allophilic bacteria, because allophilic means love salt, allophilic bacteria. And as they have been sequenced in Africa, we use the name Afrobacteria. So the second achievement we have identified. The third one was about the optimization, because we need to know the concentration of salt capable to be removed, the physical-chemical temperature, the temperature, pH, and the source of carbon, because the source of carbon will help our microorganism to remove our pollutant. In terms of innovation, we have already done 75% of our work. Now we need to be incubated to move on to the 25%. That is why we have proposed that if we can have 1 liter bioreactor We can purchase reagents for our major preparation. We can also test in the polluted soil our Afrobacteria, and also for the planting to now see what we can bring as specific product to any type of polluted soil and wastewater. The demo is there. I don't know if you have to see the demo, but I can, when I'm clicking, it's not giving, but I'm sure I've prepared a video so that you can have a look about what we are really doing in the laboratory of UNISA in Florida. So now our vision, the vision, what we really need, because as the country, the entire country is a semi-arid country. And now as we are targeting the water scarcity, specifically in the polluted area, we need to construct branches around the country. That is our main vision, where we can easily give our product and services to our specific farmers. So now the short-term goal is to be incubated, to be in the market, to be near to our farmers, because now we are located in Pretoria, that is the headquarters. We need to go further where mining activities and coastal area are present, so that we can target our farmers and our farmers can get our product and also our services. And also we need to do agri-workshop, because we need to update in terms of scientific information those farmers, so that the production can be also excellent. Because really speaking, we need also to screen the soil, to screen the water, to see which kind of pollutant we have, so that we can easily remove. Then, what must be true to achieve those goals? To achieve those goals, our team just need an opportunity to be incubated, as I say, for our short goal. We need to be incubated so that what we have already tested in the lab where I am actually, we can bring in the marketplace, so that our farmer can be happy and have also good production. What do you need for our audience? As the audience is already known, farmers from coastal and mining activities area. That means we are going to provide to them the product and services, so that water scarcity can be mitigated, and that recycled wastewater can be useful for their farming activities. So in terms of result, we have already worked on that, and we have a research letter that I have published with the co-authors in 2014. That means this project has been for long. We are working, we are still improving our product and also our services in terms of anything that is happening in the country in terms of water scarcity. So we have been working for many years in this project. The feasibility, Afrobacteria, we need also to use it because it's already tested in the laboratory. That means the feasibility is almost at 75%. That is why the 25% need just to be completed through our incubation, so that we can go in the market and sort out also the problem of job scarcity, because as students, after our degree, we need also to go to look for real job. But now, as a scientist, we are the one helping now the government through entrepreneurship program to provide jobs in terms of our knowledge. So now the feasibility to do this, we just need 100,000 rand. 100,000 rand will be listed as we can see. For the manufacturing of sachet, we just need 10,000. For the bioreactor, 20,000. The media for our allophilic bacteria preparation, 30,000. The freezer, 10,000. Transport, 20,000. And also all diverse things that we don't expect to have, we can just keep 10,000 and the total will be done during 12 months, meaning 1 year. And the total is giving us 100,000. I mean, for only this project, with 100,000, we are very sure that our product will be on the table and capable to clean the wastewater for agricultural purposes. So now we know that you can invest, but now you need the return of investment. How Armando Corporation will be bringing back the money? By selling the sachet of Afrobacteria and also providing services. But in terms of the statistic that we have done, we have seen that one sachet of 100 grams of Afrobacteria product will cost only 100 rand. But that 100 gram of Afrobacteria will be able to treat 1,000 liters of wastewater within 5 days, meaning that we can easily bring back our money where we are, and along the way also create a lot of how do you call branches around the country. So we can see after using our Afrobacteria, we can see water and then also our plant growing. So it is not the first, as I was saying. Now we won a lot of awards around the country. Even the last time in June, for the entrepreneurship intervarsity, we were called. That means we are still working. And lastly, even German, we have been selected among the top 6 of this year African German entrepreneurship. And then on the 7th, I will be online also for the final stage of our competition to see if I will be among the 3 first. Surely I will be, so that I can receive also some fundings to be incubated. That is the program of the Universität Leipzig, where I was the only person representing South Africa among the 6 top ideas. I'm very sure that I will be well representing the country so that the problem of wastewater can be sorted. Also, I recommend people to use Afrobacteria because our products are able to be used in presence of oxygen and without oxygen. That means we don't have any problem. Oxygen, without oxygen, the product can work easily. So thank you for your kind attention. Let's go to the green world with less pollution. Armando Corporation is saying thank you for everyone.